Hi everyone, I just want to share a quick review of a plugin that really impressed me. It's called EazyDocs, developed by the team at Spider Themes. I recently made the switch from BetterDocs because EazyDocs offered a few features I really needed, things that BetterDocs just didn't include. When I contacted their support to see if they had a migration option, they said they didn't have a built-in tool at the time, but they generously offered to handle the entire migration for me completely free of charge. That really stood out to me, and it honestly made me reflect my own business and how I could improve the way I served my customers. After purchasing the plan I needed, they completed the migration straight away, no delays. One feature I especially love is the login restriction. I'm using the built-in login form to show the documentation structure, but require users to log in to actually view the content. This creates a much more professional experience. Users can see the menu and know what's available, but the content remains protected. That subtle content restriction is something I couldn't achieve with BetterDocs. Their restriction hides everything entirely, which leaves the archive page looking blank and confusing. EazyDocs handles this far more elegantly. The plugin itself is really intuitive to work with. The user interface is clean and easy to navigate, and the front end looks modern and polished. Compared to BetterDocs, I found EazyDocs much easier to manage and a lot more flexible. So if you're looking for a documentation plugin that's beautifully designed, packed with helpful features, and backed by outstanding support, I highly recommend giving EazyDocs a try. Thanks again to the team at Spider Themes, and thank you for watching.